The Conservatives' cost of living crisis is causing a mental health crisis. People living in poverty, or as we're seeing more and more under financial stress and in personal debt, are more likely to develop mental illness, as so many honourable friends have already put. And sadly, children from the poorest 20% of households are 4 times more likely to have serious mental health difficulties by age 11 than the wealthiest 20%. And after 13 years of Conservative government, our mental health services are at breaking point and patients are being failed. And I've heard much in this debate about people saying how we talk about mental health in this place. But it is a key issue because, like so many others, I have constituents who are struggling to get the support and treatment they need, or indeed their children so desperately need. It is their lived experience, and it is right that we hold the government to account on this. When it comes to children, recent research shows that the average community CAMHS waiting list in February rocketed by 2/3. And of the 400,000 children waiting on mental health waiting lists, they are waiting an average of 21 weeks for a first appointment. And data from my area from December 2022 shows that the total number of hours children in a mental health crisis spent in A&E was 7,034 hours in the Bedfordshire NHS Hospital Trust area. And this is in the context of our BLMK, Beds, Luton and Milton Keynes ICB area, having over 15,000 children on mental health waiting lists. And this is both distressing for the children and their families. Absolutely. With regards to adults, the Royal College of Psychiatrists research from last October found that 43% of adults with mental illness said long waiting times had worsened their mental health. 23% had to wait more than 12 weeks to start treatment, and many end up turning to A&E departments. And indeed, from December 2022, adults in the Bedfordshire NHS Trust area, including the Luton and Dunstable Hospital, who spent a total of over 11,000 hours in A&E. So it's right that I mention the many volunteers who operate in the mental health sphere. It's the end of Volunteers Week 2023, so I just wanted to make that shout out, particularly to the brilliant volunteers who volunteer with the Luton and South Bedfordshire Samaritans, who are committed to supporting people who may be struggling to cope or struggling with their mental health through the listening service that the Samaritans offer 24 hours a day. And so if anyone is listening to this debate and needs support, call 116 123 for free from any phone 24 hours a day. Just to finish then, I want to put my support to Labour's community-focused preventative plan for mental health, so that you will be guaranteed to be seen within 1 month. There will be over 8,500 new mental health staff with open access mental health hubs in each community and a mental health professional in every school. We need this bold plan, we need it now, and we need a Labour government to deliver it.